Oh yeah.
Go to fairs and things.
Yeah, fairs, festivals, events, parties.
Oh, that's a good idea. Kids parties.
Kids parties, yeah, weddings with people of some random.
Cool. Oh wow, that is amazing. So what is it like?
Yeah,
So it's got.
you see this plate here?
It's a
Yeah.
cooler,
That
isn't it?
runs at -25,
Yeah.
and then you can literally. I'm using flake today, but you can put. whatever
You're
you
using what?
Flake
Okay.
is the sort of topping, I guess.
This is all the change I've got anyway.
No worries, thank you. And then I've put a special little formula together.
Yeah. The formula.
Magic formula.
Okay.
Magic mix.
Magic mix, yeah.
So it's not from the packet.
It's not from the packet, there's a whole load of different things that go in there. And then, literally,
So what happens if someone like my daughter's, she's like alternative? Alternative in terms of milk.
yeah, so at the minute, this is completely
All
dairy.
dairy.
This is
Dairy,
this is
yeah.
dairy, yeah.
Ooh.
But you know what? A lot of people have asked me today about doing a vegan one. Or
Almond or oats.
almond, yeah. So I might have an experiment with them. I've not actually tried it. I don't know how it would work. So you see how it's kind of frozen over there?
Yeah.
And then all you do is you do that.
Oh wow. Oh wow. So where's this? Which way did you get this idea from?
So this, from what I understand, the machine actually comes from the Middle East.
Oh,
They've been
really?
using it there for quite a number of years.
Oh, thank you. Oh, can I have a picture of you? Thank you. So you know why? Because it's hot there and you want something instantly quick.
Exactly.
Oh, bless you. Thank you.
So yeah, they've been doing it for quite a while.
Oh.
Here you go, sir. Have a good
Right,
one.
hang on, I've just